barbecue chicken foot or feet, whatever you call it, but this is done Jamaican style. Sweet and tangy and sticky. Oh yeah, please remember to subscribe. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make some barbecue chicken foot that is sweet and tangy and sticky and so delicious. Did I say delicious? Oh, that falls off the bone into your mouth. So succulent, man. You have to watch this video. Stay tuned. Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, where we explore the wonders of food and the beautiful island of Jamaica. Let's start exploring. Welcome. Welcome back. Wash your chicken foot with some vinegar water and cut off the nails. Then go ahead and add your onions, your ginger. Make sure your ginger is finely chopped, guys. Add your scallions. By the way, I'm doing this in a pressure cooker. Less bowls, less dishes to wash. Just season the chicken foot in the pressure cooker from the start. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, we be adding some Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, it's Jamaican style. A little black pepper, a little salt. Come on, man, we need to add flavor. Just a little bit of soy sauce and just a little bit of browning. Not too much now. Too much browning will make it taste bitter. You need just a little bit of browning to make it more barbecuey, you know, to add color. Be very careful when using your pressure cooker. Pressure for 20 minutes. If you check and you see that it needs more time, pressure again for 10 minutes. Now for the sauce, add some ketchup, some water, some sugar, some vinegar, you know, some ginger, I love it, some lemon juice, some soy sauce, and of course we need the Worcestershire. Oh my gosh, however you pronounce it. A little salt and black pepper to balance and just mix it up. Now give that a taste. Yeah, that tastes perfect, sweet and everything. Now let's check our chicken foot. Oh my gosh, yeah, there's a lot of steam coming out. All right, so yes, this is perfect after 20 minutes. It is soft and tender. If it needed more time, we would have pressured it for another 10 minutes. Now, take some of that rich, delicious liquid from the pressure cooker and pour it into your barbecue sauce. Now pour all of that into a nice saucepan and just put it on some medium flames and just reduce it down. Reduce it until it's nice and yeah, like that, until it's nice like that. Keep on stirring to ensure that it doesn't burn. And when it reaches like this, add in your chicken foot. Okay, go ahead and just mix this around. This smells so good right now. I'm smelling all the different aromas, the ginger, the lemon, the garlic, that rich smell of the barbecue sauce, the caramelization, stickiness. Oh gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, thank you for watching, guys, and please remember to subscribe.